Here this is very simple. What we will do, just take the switch. If you are taking layer 2, you can take layer 2. If you want to take layer 3, you can take layer 3. Only configuration differ for trunk only. When you are configuring the trunk, only that one will change. Just you need to remember, if you are changing here the layer 2 switch, the trunk command will change. If you are using layer 3, you need to add one more trunk command. So what I can say, I taken 2 switches here. I can zoom in and we can keep here, and here I will give the name SW1, and here I will give this is the SW2, and I can connect here. You can see I am connecting one cable, then I will connect one more cable. I can connect up to 8, our wish how many we need. So I am taking F0/1 till F0/4, or let me remove this label so you can see how many cable we have. So I will remove this. You can see here I taken 4 cable here, F0/1, F0/2, F0/3. You can go inside and you can check also here like this. You can go and you can write here, and you can write show IP interface brief, and you can see we use how many, we use this 4. Okay, F0/1, F0/2, F0/3, F0/4, and you can see here only one cable is working, remaining is block here, because STP block this one. STP block this one. If you write show spanning tree, and you can see STP block this, only one is working here, remaining port STP block. So what I will do, I will make this all into all this multiple physical interface I will make into single logical interface now by configuring the EtherChannel. So what we will do here, I will write the configuration how to do EtherChannel configuration we will do here. Then we will paste inside the switch. So this one I will write here EtherChannel. We can do by using PAGP or LACP. So we will do EtherChannel PAGP lab. Okay, we can do PAGP or LACP. Already we check theory, we discuss PAGP we already discussed, LACP we already discussed. So now let's do the PAGP. So configuration I am writing. So this is simple. First we will do the basic thing whatever we learn, enable config T, host name as we done from starting, SW1, then interface, whatever interface you are using you can use from the range command, and then you can write switch port mode trunk, because I am using layer 2 switch, so no need to write switch port trunk encapsulation.1q. We will use that for layer 3 switch. And then I make with this command as a trunk. Then we can do channel. This is the new command, channel protocol. You need to write channel protocol, and here which protocol you are using you need to define. PAGP, you are using PAGP, so write PAGP. Then after that you will write channel, and here you will write group. You can define any group. I will define one. You can define any number. And mode, which mode you want to configure, auto or desirable, your wish. If you use one side auto, other side should not auto. Other side you can use anything other than auto. If you use both side auto, it will not form the EtherChannel. So here if you want manually we can configure. I can show you. See here config T, I will change the name of the switch SW1. Then I will select the interface with the range command F0/1-4, and then switch port mode trunk. With this command we configure as a trunk. Then here we will write here channel protocol. Which protocol? Put question mark. You have 2 protocol, LACP or PAGP. So which one we want to use? We are saying we will use PAGP, so I will write here PAGP. Then press enter. Then you will write channel, what you will write here, channel group, and here you have group. You can create from 1 to 6 any number here. You can use any number from 1 to 6. I will use 1 here. After that if you write here mode, channel group mode, and which mode you want to give here. You are configuring which protocol? PAGP. So if you see here in the PAGP you have auto, and also in the another PAGP you have the desirable. So you can give any one from these 2. And if you see, this is for LACP and this is for LACP, and this one is for manual mode. So here I can give auto here. Okay, so I done here. Same configuration what we wrote here I done here. After that if you check here, you can exit and you can write here show EtherChannel summary. You can see here you are getting this one because we taken the group 1 here. If you see, this is a group 1 we taken, so that's why 1 is coming here, and this is a logical interface 1 we take, so it will come 1 here. Capital S means, what is the meaning of capital S? It is a layer 2 EtherChannel, and D means it is down, means one side we configure, so it is down until we configure the other side. When we configure other side, it will go up. So it is showing it is down. And which protocol we use to configure this one? We use PAGP. And what are the multiple physical interface we are using? We are using FA0x1, FA0x2, F0x3, F0x4. And here you see you have I here. I means, what is the meaning of I? I means standalone. What is the meaning of standalone? Standalone means it is not bundle. You should have the bundle. You should have port in channel, but it is standalone means it is not working. Because one side we configure, other side we did not configure. That's why it is not working. So we need to configure the other side. So what I will do here, first here I will write, this is the switch 1 configuration. I can write like this, and then we can write the second side switch 2 configuration we can do. So I can copy from here to here, and then I will paste here, and we can write here, this is a switch 2, okay, and this is a switch 2, and the ports will be same, and mode is okay, this is okay. But here instead of auto you need to give desirable. If you give both side auto, it will not work, so we will give desirable. And then you can copy this whole thing, and you can go here in the switch 2 and you can paste here, or if you want to type manually, you can type manually. And here we use 1, you can use 2 also. Here I use 1, so it is not necessary. You should use the other side also 2, or other side is also 1. You can use anything, that is up to you. But for what we can say simplicity, we will use the same number here and here, so it is easy for us for troubleshooting purpose. So we are using that same thing. And I paste here. If you see, I pasted here, and now you can see when I put here, it go here, and it will take some time. And when you write here show EtherChannel summary, you can see here what you are getting here, P of 01 and capital S. What is the meaning of capital S? Layer 2. And U means, what is the meaning of U? In use. And which protocol we are using? We are using PAGP, and these are the physical interface we are using. And all are bundle. You can see P is coming, port in channel means it is working. All are working here. P means it is working perfectly. Okay. And same thing you can see, all are working same time. All are working same time. You can see here. And you can write show IP interface brief. And you can see here, this is a port channel which I make, this one, the first one, port channel 1. It is mix of this 4 interface. We mix this 4 and it become this one. And when you write here show EtherChannel summary, you can see it is working. This is a logical port name, and this is layer 2, and it is in use, and this one is a by using which protocol, and these are the multiple interface. And if you write show spanning tree, see here you have only 1 port because it become logically 1 port before you have 4, and it is not blocked here. Okay, so all are working, and you will not have any issue. It will work, and the speed will increase, bandwidth will increase here. So this is a EtherChannel lab by using PAGP. By using PAGP. PAGP is a protocol which will work only CISCO device. You have LACP also. We can use LACP. By using LACP, we can check that is going to work in CISCO and also non-CISCO device.